Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit your work info in Beaver Cup Build Challenge in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia is running the Beaver Cup event where you can build amazing creations together with your team. And since we are already in the building phase or creation phase, it's important to organize your project properly, and that's where work info comes in. First, just open your Beaver Cup Challenge. Just enter your island. Just tap on enter like this from the limited terminal, and then after that just just tap on the work info like this, and then just tap on edit, and then in here you can just give your work name. For example like this, and then you can also give the teamwork descriptions, for example like this, and then in here you can add a work photo over here. But first I want to save my work info first, and then to take a photo just tap on the camera icon, and then just take a photo like this, and then open your work info again, and then in here just tap on edit and add the work photo, and then just upload your photo over here like this, and then just confirm change, and just like that your work info is now updated and your project looks much more organized and presentable. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.